I recently partnered with Global Belly to bring you this fall cookie decorating kit. It's got everything you need to make these gorgeous cookies. You supply the thyme, butter, and eggs, and I've got you covered with all the other ingredients, tools, and directions. Let's check it out. Each kit comes with the instructions you need for baking the cookies, mixing the icing, and creating each one of the unique designs shown on the outside of the package. Inside the kit, you will find the exact shape cookie cutters you need to create this festive platter of fall cookies. My famous chocolate cookie recipe now comes in an easy-to-use cookie mix that is included in each kit. You also get a just add water royal icing mix. I'm really excited that I managed to convince them to include my favorite brand of food coloring, Chef Master. This kit comes with 4 different bottles of food colors and the instructions for mixing them for just the right shade of icing. There are 4 couplers with rings and 4 number 4 piping tips. Try saying that 4 times fast. The 4 durable piping bags that are included in the kit come on a roll and are easily separated from each other. Simply pull them apart. The rubber bands hold the end of the piping bags closed so icing cannot come out of the top while you are decorating. The kit also includes a 2-in-1 tool to guide the icing or fix mistakes, and a paintbrush for the finishing details on your new favorite cookies.